What's up, guys? Steven the Fear Bandit here. It is a freezing cold 18 degrees here in the Texas morning. Wind chill is like 9 degrees, but we're going to do some fishing because the fish ain't going to catch themselves. I'm going to do something that I've actually not done before. I didn't even know you could do it, which is snagging gar, long nose gar, gator gar. I didn't think you could get a hook through one of these things, armor on the outside, but going out with my buddy Jason, he's the local catfish striper guide. He's done this. He's caught a bunch of triple digit gar doing this. So he says it's possible. So we're going to go see if he's right. Hopefully we can get out to the spot. The lakes are real low and there's ice everywhere. So, yeah, we're just going to try it out and see. Hopefully we can stay out here longer than an hour without freezing to death. So let's go get it started. So this is our rig. As you can see, I wasn't lying about the cold. Got some slush going. It's been a long time since I've seen this in Texas. No traction. All right. Let's are we stupid or what? There's literally slush. Oh shit, that's it? I thought it was over there. Well, do we bring a big stick? Do what? I didn't bring anything to push That was frozen. That was fun as hell. Die, ice, die! No way. No way in hell. It's kind of thick, honestly. And it's only getting thicker. We can throw the anchor, pull us forward to the anchor. Trying to see how far we gotta go. Oh, maybe not. Perfect. And then look at this. This is called some ingenuity right here, or some stupidity. I don't know. I'm recording. Yeah. Stuck? Yeah. There we go. Woo! or frozen. So we're rocking, breaking the ice, got the motor thrusting forward. Yeah, be careful on that shit. Frozen solid. It's rocking. There we go. We got some momentum now. There we go. Alright, so looking for sticks. Trying to push us through. Found this one here. It's probably about the most solid driftwood I've ever seen. This shit is like fucking concrete. I guess that'll have to do. Just pretend you're on a French, what do they do, those things in Venice? Is that France? I don't know. You having fun yet? Oh yeah, we're almost there, guys. Just right around that corner.
I got too many friends up here to be worried.
Close to freedom. Come on. A little boat that could. Oh man, I'm about to send these beavers a Christmas card on these sticks.
Huh?
I'm about to send these beavers a Christmas card for these sticks. They really helped us out here. All right. Down to the spot we want to fish. There's a lot of work. When we get here, and it's frozen solid still, so we got to wait for it to thaw out. We're hoping it will. We don't even know if it's going to. It's not going to get above freezing today, but the sun is beating down, so we're going to give it a little bit, see if we can see a little fall action. Hopefully that's the case. We're going to get some fishing. If not, we did all this for nothing, but hey, it's an adventure. So we're going to chill. Just wait for something to happen. Got the defroster going. I think that helped. You definitely got your hook out. Yeah, your hook came out. Look at it. The one over there. You made some kind of a path. Sit right here on the ice and cast out. There's still so much ice though, even though it's broke up. Man, what a doozy. Check that out. That is what we're here for. That right there. I can't believe you just managed that. That's good. Finally got one. Ain't the monster we're after. Little short nose gar. Look at him. Huh? Yeah, I guess it is a little short nose. Just caught him in the dang mouth. Nice. Look at him. He's a beautiful little guy. Yeah, get that new record. See you later. Alright, let's get some more. Guys, so those two little fish, that's all we ended up catching. I don't know, we had to drive the boat around a circle and make a big hole in the ice. I'm sure there wasn't much left in the area to snag after that, but we gave it a shot and we had a great time. Hopefully when this Texas blizzard is over, we'll better get out and try it again. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.